The 1.8 meter diameter steel plate is shown supported by equally spaced posts. So ano yan? Kung titignan yan naka 3D, nakaganon yan eh. Tapos may post dito, tapos may naka-post dyan. Ayan. May mga nakapatong doon. Yung 3D. Ayan. So, ang gawin nyo, tignan nyo na siya sa front view. Pag tinignan nyo yan sa front view, yun yung isometric view niya. Pag tinignan mo yan sa front view, ito yung 1.8 diameter. Ibig sabihin, this is 1.8. Tapos, meron ditong support. This is the RA. Tapos, nandito sa part na to si RB. Tapos, nandiyan din si RC. Tapos, si point P, nandito. Ang distance ni point P ay 0.5. Yung radius ng circle natin, yung center, ay 0.9. Ito, ano kaya yung distance niya na to? Di ba ito yun? Excuse me. That is 0.9 cosine of 60. Ano ba yung distance? 0.9 cosine of 60. 0.45. No, pwede na sa surat na 0.45. Magkalapit lang pala. So, paano gagawin? Neglect the weight of the plate. What is the reaction at A? So, ibig sabihin, pwede ka ditong mag-moment sa pantay ni B and C para mawala na yung reaction ni B and C. So, we have summation ng moment at B and C is equal to 0. So, that is equal to RA. Ano yung moment arm ni RA? That is 0.9 plus 0.45 minus P. Ang moment arm nito ay 0.45 plus 0.4. O, sir, ba't 0.4? Kasi ito 0.9, ito 0.5, ito 0.4 equals to 0. So, substitute nyo lang yung P. Ang value ng P natin is 1 to 50. So, this is 1 to 50. So, magkano si RA? So, 1 to 50 multiplied by 0.85 divided by 0.45 plus 0.9. That is 787.037 Newton. Neglecting the weight of the beam, what is the reaction at B? So, si RB and RC equal yung binubuhat. No? So, i-times 2 na lang natin yung reaction dito. 2RB. So, using summation ng forces vertical, we have RA plus 2RB is equal to P, which is 1 to 50. So, magkano si RB? Substitute nyo lang si RA. That is 1 to 50 minus onset divided by 2. So, that is 231.481 newtons. So, considering the weight of the plate, what is the reaction at C? Pwede tayo dito, class, no? Kunin muna natin yung weight ng plate. Kasi yung weight ng plate ay mag-a-act dito sa center ng plate. So, this is the W. So, gawin natin, kunin natin yung W. So, that is the unit weight, that is 77 kilonewton per cubic meter multiplied by the volume of the plate, that is pi r squared. So, ang area ng circle is pi r squared, which is 0.9 multiplied by the thickness. Ang thickness niya ay, may binigay ba? 15 millimeters, 0.015. So, the total weight is 77 times pi times 0.9 squared times 0.001. 4015. And then, para maging Newton, multiply lang natin ng 1,000. That is equal to 2,939.117 newtons. Then, to solve for the RC, summation tayo ng moment at A is equal to 0. So, we have clockwise positive. We have P. We have 1,250 newtons multiplied by the moment arm, 0.5. Plus W, 2939.117 times 0.9 minus 2RC, dalawa kasi yon. Ang moment arm niya is 0.9 plus 0.45 equals to 0. So, magkano si RC? 1,250 times 0.5 plus 2939.117 times 0.9 minus 2 times alpha x times 0.9 plus 0.9. Ano napatay ko? 1,250 times 0.5 plus 2939. The answer is 112.187. Aray. Ang gulo. Okay. Next. Konti na lang. 13 na lang. Yung 13 naman, paulit-ulit naman yung tanong na yan. Yan naman lagi nasa question. Determine the angle of the inclination of the resultant of forces acting at O with the reference x-axis. Pakitry nga kung kaya to sa complex mode. So that is equal to, unahin natin si 50 angle 40 plus 90 angle 0 plus 100, and then ang angle natin na gagawin is arctangent of, kunin mo natin yung angle nito. This is theta. Sorry, kunin mo natin theta. So that is arctan of opposite TOA, 4/3. So magkano yung theta? That is equal to 4/3. 53.13. So ang lalagay natin dito is 180 plus 53.30. So magkano yung R angle theta resultant? Mode 2, complex mode, no? 50 angle 40 plus 90 angle 0 plus 100 angle of 180 plus 53.13. And then, ups, convert natin. So, that is 83.401 angle negative 35.02. So, ibig sabihin, ang theta natin from the horizontal is okay. Hindi yung kailangan kunin yung ano niyan, yung resultant ng matagal, magmo-moment. Di na magmo-moment dyan, no? Kasi nahanap lang naman is the angle of the resultant. Kasi yung resultant dyan si Rx and Ry. Tapos, ito yung angle theta. Ito, ang dami pa rin nagkamali dito. Or, ang dami kasing bago din. Maraming mga bago. Ang dami nagkamali sa problem na to. Sabi nila, paulit-ulit na nga lang yung tanong mo na yan, sir. Resultant. Rollers, diba? Hinge. So, we have AY, AX. May klase pa kaya? And then this is RA. Joke lang, letter B pala to. BX, BY. Kala ko mabilis lang to. Tapos, yung resultant nito, di ba, nandito lang yan. So, sabi, yung resultant nasa centroid lang. So, ito, ano kaya yung distance natin dito? So, given 30, this is also 30. So, ito, this is 4 cosine of 30. Yung distance lang niya, ha? So, ang moment arm niyan is yung 1/3. Tama? X/3. So, ang gawin natin, mag-moment tayo sa B. Summation ng moment at B is equal to 0. Taking clockwise, positive. So, we have RA multiplied by 4. Kasi perpendicular na siya, di ba? Minus yung resultant. Ang resultant nito is yung area. Tama? Yung area ng triangle. O, ito na yung height. Ito na yung base. So, that is equal to 5. Joke, 1/2 pala muna. Times 4 cosine of 30. O, ito yung resultant. Ang moment arm niya is 4 cosine of 30 divided by 3. So, magkano si RA? 0.5 by 5 times 4 cosine of 30 times 4 cosine of 30 over 3. 10 divided by 4, that is equal to 2.5. May pinagtataka ako dyan, may mga na-checkan ako. Mas bumaba sila sa assessment ngayon. As in, mababa. Anyari? Parang similar naman yun. Next, pwede na tayo mag-summation ng forces vertical and horizontal. So, ito, yan yung horizontal and vertical. So, ito, this is angle 30. So, summation ng forces horizontal is equal to 0. So, Bx is equal to Rax. Diba this is Rax, which is 2.5 cosine, sine of 30. So, 2.5 sine of 30, that is equal to 1.25 kilonewtons. Then, for the summation ng forces vertical is equal to 0. We have By plus Ray rather, that is 2.5 cosine of 30 minus the area, that is 1/2 by 5 by 4 cosine of 30 equals to 0. Magkano yung By? So, 5.5 by 5 by 4 cosine of 30. 6.495. Basta yun na. Sulat namin. Nasolve naman natin si Bx and By. Wait lang. Sayang yung record. Mapuputol. 2 seconds lang lalagay ko. So, to solve for the resultant at B, the reaction at B, that is the square root of Rbx plus Rby. So, Rb is equal to the square root of 6.45495 plus squared plus 1.25 squared. 6.61. Alam, wala sa choices yung